Dear friends, welcome to my video on how to create a business strategy with the art of war. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. The battlefield called the market. First things first, let us set the stage. Imagine the marketplace as a battlefield, a dynamic landscape with ever-changing variables. Your business, whether it's a startup or a well-established entity, is an army marching into this landscape with a clear set of objectives: to conquer market share, defend its position, forge alliances, and emerge victorious with sustained profitability. But how does one ensure victory? Let's unroll the ancient scrolls and delve into the strategies that can be guided by the ancient doctrines of the art of war. Formulating your strategy, the Sun Tzu way. Understanding your terrain, know the ground, know the weather, your victory will then be total. Sun Tzu emphasized the importance of understanding one's terrain, which in business translates to the market landscape. Dive deep into market research to understand the intricacies of the market dynamics, consumer preferences, and the economic environment. Like a general surveying the battlefield, you should know where to deploy your forces for the maximum impact. Know yourself and your enemy. If you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. In business terms, knowing yourself means understanding your company's strengths and weaknesses inside and out. Knowing your enemy equates to studying your competition meticulously. A SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, can be a fantastic tool to start with. When you understand both your capabilities and your competitors' strategies, you stand in a position of strength, ready to adapt and prevail in the marketplace. Strategic positioning: in war, the way is to avoid what is strong and to strike at what is weak. In business, this means avoiding direct confrontation with a more significant and more potent competitor. Instead, find your niche, your unique selling point that distinguishes you from others. It's about being smart with where you choose to position yourself in the market and attacking gaps in your competition's defenses. Adaptability: water shapes its course according to the nature of the ground over which it flows. Just like water, a successful business needs to be flexible and adaptable. The business landscape is ever-changing, and rigidity can lead to failure. Be prepared to pivot your strategy when necessary, always flowing towards the path of least resistance, and seizing opportunities as they arise. Espionage: business intelligence. Spies are a most important element in war because on them depends an army's ability to march. In the business arena, this translates to the gathering and analyzing of business intelligence. The more you know about market trends, consumer behavior, and competitors' moves, the better you can strategize and make informed decisions. Always have your ear to the ground, and use insights and data to drive your strategy. Winning without fighting: the supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. In the corporate world, this means winning market share without engaging in price wars or other detrimental tactics. It could involve creating such a strong brand and product that customers naturally gravitate towards you, negating the need for aggressive competitive strategies. Think about innovating and elevating your offerings to a point where competition becomes irrelevant. Actioning the strategy: the tactics, speed and momentum, opportunities multiply as they are seized. Once you've formulated a strategy, act with speed and decisiveness. In business, being first to market can provide a substantial competitive advantage. Use the momentum of your actions to seize opportunities and multiply them. Creating alliances: combine your troops with other forces and reward those who contribute to success. Forming strategic partnerships can be a force multiplier in business. Collaborative efforts can leverage the strengths of different entities, creating a more potent force in the market. Remember, success in partnerships involves a win-win scenario where all parties benefit. The element of surprise: attack where they are unprepared, appear where you are not expected. Innovation can be your best ally here. Surprise the market with groundbreaking products or services, and keep your competition guessing your next move. This could also mean venturing into untapped markets or creating a need where there wasn't one. Leading your troops: building a winning team: the leader of a great force can make his presence known to all. A great business leader, like a great general, understands the strength lies in a united, well-trained team. Invest in building a team that shares your vision, nurtures talent, and creates a culture of excellence and cohesion. Conclusion: the art of business mastery. We've traversed quite a terrain, drawing parallels between the ancient art of war and the modern art of business strategy. Applying Sun Tzu's principles can lend a creative, yet structured approach to your business strategy, letting you navigate the market battlefield with the wisdom of a seasoned general. Remember, it's not about a ruthless conquest. It's about understanding the dynamics of competition and cooperation to craft a strategy that is both enlightened and effective. As you embark on this journey of creating a business strategy steeped in ancient wisdom, remember Sun Tzu's words: strategic planning is essential to a leader. Let the art of war guide your path to business victory, weaving strategies with foresight, flexibility, and finesse, leading to a business journey that is not just successful but sagacious. Now, gather your scrolls, strategists, and forge ahead, onto the path of business mastery guided by the principles of the art of war. May your strategies be sharp, and your victories many. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.